Are you aware that by 2027, an estimated 92 million jobs will be displaced globally, but 170 million new ones will be created at the same time? The question is not whether AI will affect your career, it has already affected you. The question is which AI tools and skills should you learn to stay employed, whether you are a fresher or experienced, technical or non technical. In this video, we'll explore exactly that with salary data for India and United States and our AI vulnerability rating for every career stage. Greetings. Let us explore the essential AI skills and tools that can safeguard your career in the age of AI. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025 indicates that while 92 million jobs will be lost, 170 million new roles will be created, resulting in a net increase of 78 million jobs worldwide. However, the crucial point is that these emerging positions demand skills that majority of the current professionals lack. In India, NASCOM reveals that almost 50% of AI-related job openings remain unfilled due to a skills deficit. There is a clear demand, yet the supply of qualified individuals is insufficient. In the United States, the Bureau of Labor Statistics anticipates that roles in AI and machine learning will expand by 36% by 2030, significantly outpacing the average growth rate for all job categories. Before you dismiss this as unattainable, it's indeed possible. Here is how. The structure of this video is straightforward. We'll examine all the four quadrants in the remaining part of the video. Quadrant 1, Freshers Technical. Let's commence with the freshers possessing a technical background like computer science, engineering or IT, or anyone who is adept with code and logic. AI skills you must learn, not at a research level, but sufficient to grasp how models are trained, the data they require, and their potential shortcomings. In India, salaries vary from 6 lakhs to 25 lakhs per annum for positions such as AI developer, data scientist, and ML engineer. In the United States, the Bureau of Labor Statistics indicates a median salary of $85,000 to $160,000 for comparable roles, with AI specialized positions earning significantly higher. The AI vulnerability rating for this quadrant stands at 25 out of 100, indicating a low level of risk. This is due to the fact that you are the creators and operators of AI systems. Those who develop and manage the technology are the least likely to be supplanted by it. You will discover numerous intriguing opportunities ranging for individuals without coding skills, and the remainder of the video will present additional exciting career avenues, including those that do not require you to write any code at all. In this quadrant 2, dealing with freshers non-technical such as commerce, arts, humanities or management, or anyone who does not engage in coding, that's where the majority of career-related anxiety resides. Yet, this is also where the greatest opportunities are concealed. You carefully observe this slide and go through that. You need to acquire AI skills like AI literacy, prompt engineering for business, AI assisted content creation, basic data interpretation with AI. You need to master the AI tools shown in the next slide. In India, annual salaries range from 15 lakh rupees to 60 lakh rupees for positions such as AI architect, MLOps engineer, and AI safety specialist. In the United States, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, along with industry surveys, indicates salaries ranging from 130,000 to 250,000 and beyond dollars, with AI architects at leading firms earning considerably more. AI vulnerability rating for this quadrant is 15 out of 100. This is very low, and you are the orchestrators. The individuals responsible for designing, deploying, and governing AI systems are the last to be replaced by these technologies. For seasoned technical professionals, including developers, engineers, and data scientists, the challenge lies not in learning AI itself, but in mastering the appropriate layer of AI. The AI skills you must learn. Watch the next slide carefully. You need to master the following AI tools. Closely observe this slide. In India, salaries for positions such as AI architect, MLOps engineer, and AI safety specialist range from 15 lakhs to 60 lakhs per annum. In the United States, the Bureau of Labor Statistics and various industry surveys indicate salaries ranging from 130,000 to $250,000 and beyond. Although this role may appear secure, reflect on this. The half life of technical skills is diminishing. What once took a decade to become outdated now requires only 3 to 4 years. Continuous upskilling is essential. It's a matter of survival. To conclude, the employed individual in a non technical position, such as manager, HR leader, finance expert, operations director, or consultant, this quadrant stands to lose the most and also gain the most. These are the essential AI skills for this quadrant: AI workflow automation, AI augmented decision making, AI governance and compliance, strategic AI implementation. Please go through the remaining part of this slide. In India, salaries for positions such as AI strategic manager, AI compliance officer, and AI transformation consultant range from 12 lakhs to 50 lakhs per year. In the United States, the data from Glassdoor and industry reports indicate salaries ranging from 100,000 to $200,000, with the chief AI officers and transformation leaders earning significantly higher amounts. AI vulnerability rating for this quadrant is 45 out of 100. This is considered moderate. However, the crucial insight is that professionals in this quadrant who acquire knowledge of AI tools experience a reduction in their vulnerability to about 20 out of 100. Conversely, those who do not engage with these tools may see their rating increase to around 65 within 2 to 3 years. This disparity grows rapidly. Although the US provides salaries that are roughly 4 to 5 times higher in absolute dollar terms, India's lower living costs, its swiftly expanding AI ecosystem, and a favorable job growth outlook render it an appealing choice, particularly for individuals who enhance their skills early on. Law number one: learn by doing. Do not just watch tutorials. Use one AI tool daily for 30 days. Apply it to a real task in your work or studies. Theory without practice is a wasted time. Law number two: go deep, not wide. Master 2 to 3 tools in your domain, not 20 tools superficially. A marketer who is expert in ChatGPT and Canva AI will outperform someone who has tried everything and mastered nothing. Law 3: combine human and AI. The winners in every quadrant are people who pair domain expertise with AI leverage. AI cannot replace judgment. AI cannot replace relationships. AI cannot replace contextual wisdom. Knowing what to do when the data is ambiguous or the stakes are human. That's your advantage. Combine it with AI speed and scale, and you become unstoppable. The complete guide to AI skills and tools you need to stay employed across all four, four career quadrants with salary data for India and the United States, and our AI vulnerability rating for each stage. The AI era does not eliminate careers, it eliminates complacency. The opportunities on both sides are enormous. We just need to find your lane. If you found this useful, subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below. Which quadrant are you in, and which AI skill will you start learning first? Please wait for the video number 2, the following video, for the details of all the tools, whatever I have mentioned.